Alright, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Claude Code to create this style of whiteboard animation. If this is your first time seeing one of these videos, it's honestly one of the most unique video styles that's gaining popularity all over social media. A bunch of channels like these ones have gone viral using this video style, and the best part is that it's now available as a skill that can be used inside Claude Code, which is just amazing because Claude Code now makes it possible to create insane workflows that simplify the entire content creation process. Not only that, you can now create full working applications using the same Claude Code. And by adding this whiteboard animation skill, you can actually integrate this video generation feature inside your application. Or better yet, schedule your entire video generation to create bulk videos with the click of a few buttons. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. And as usual, you don't need any programming experience because Claude Code simplifies the whole thing. You only need to give it some commands, and it will get the job done. Before you get started, you need to make sure you have a few things installed. The first thing you need to install is VS Code. So make sure you download and install it from this website. If the installation process looks a bit confusing, check out this video that covers the entire thing. Once that's done, you need to install Python. Installation is pretty straightforward, so it should be completed easily. Now open VS Code and install the Claude Code extension. If you haven't already, simply hit the extensions icon in the sidebar and search for Claude Code. It's the one from Anthropic. Make sure it's installed and then log in with your Claude account. Once you're logged in, what you're going to do is go back to Explorer. We want to create a folder where we'll be keeping our projects. Click Open Folder and select the exact folder that you want to use for your project. Now that we have this, the next thing you're going to do is make sure you install the Golpo AI skill inside Claude Code. This will be done inside the terminal, so hit this icon and you should see it open at the bottom. Now to run Claude Code, you simply need to type the Claude command and select Yes to this. Just like that, Claude Code is running. To install the Golpo AI skill, paste this plugin command, /marketplace add GoPro-AI /Golpo-Claude-skill, and then hit enter. I'll leave the full command in the video description. Once that's done, you need to now add this second command, /plugin install Golpo at Golpo skill. Hit enter, and then you'll be given these options here. As you can see, you can either install for your account alone, install for all collaborators working on the project, or even install for this project alone. You need to choose the first one, which should successfully install the Golpo skill, giving you easy access to their API. Now that we have everything set up, let's try creating a video with this skill. I'm going to add a simple command, something like make a 30-second video about how gravity works using the Golpo skill. There's no need to do anything else. Simply hit enter and wait for Claude Code to do its magic. It starts by loading the Golpo skill and ask for approval. Choose yes here to approve. Then finally, it's going to tell you there's no API key configured yet, so you need to paste it before it can continue. The only way to get the API is to visit the Golpo site and sign up for their scale plan or the business plan with the API add-on. I know the cost might be high for most new creators, but you need to understand that the tool handles everything, including voiceover and editing. Not only that, you can also generate up to 80 10-minute videos, which is more than enough content to get your channel moving. Once you've created your account and you've successfully logged in, go to the top right corner and you should see the Create API Key button. Simply click that, and the API key should be visible in the pop-up. You can either select and copy it, or just hit this button as well to copy it to clipboard. Now close it, go back to VS Code, and paste the key. Hit enter, and the AI will do the rest of the job. It's going to add the API key, save it, and then it's going to create your video for you. It typically takes a few minutes for the video to be ready. As you can see, it says the video is ready, and not only that, it's also gone ahead and saved the video locally on your computer. There's also a URL that should lead you directly to the video on Golpo AI's website for you to download. As you can see,
we tend to think of gravity as a force, an invisible pull between any two objects with mass. That was Newton's idea. But Einstein gave us a deeper picture.
It's a 30-second video, 16:9 aspect ratio, and a voice in English. It simplifies the entire process for you. Just like that, your video is ready. You didn't need to write any code or do anything extraordinary. Now this works nicely, and you have a fully generated video. But the real magic happens when you're able to take full advantage of this skill. Let's say you're creating a workflow to create content for you, or you're building some kind of application that you want to integrate video generation. It doesn't matter whether you want to generate 1 or 80 videos from your own script or with the help of AI. Let's look at how you can integrate this with the help of Claude Code. I'm going to ask Claude Code to create a simple application that can generate a number of videos at once. The app should should use the Golpo skill to create the videos. I'll type something like, create a simple application that can generate a number of videos automatically on command. The app should use the Golpo skill to create the videos. So the user should be able to specify the topics, the duration of the videos, voice to use, the aspect ratio, and the engine. Include a user interface to make things simpler for the user. I'm simply creating something basic. For this demonstration, Claude Code will work on the application without any additional input from your end. It'll integrate the API and everything that you need in just a few minutes. In case it prompts you to accept any changes, select yes. It's done processing now. So you type this to let Claude Code run it, or open another terminal. Type Python followed by space and then the name of the file. As you can see, it's created a very simple application interface. There's the topic field, the duration, anywhere from 15 seconds all the way to 10 minutes. There are the voice options as well: warm female, energetic female, calm male, and dramatic male. You can choose the aspect ratio and the engines. Now, let's try generating some videos. The first one should be a video about evolution. You can add it to the queue and you can also remove it. The second one should be a video about artificial intelligence. This one is also going to be 30 seconds. The voice, I'll make it a warm female voice. Same settings as before. You can add as many as you want, but I'll simply add one more. This one will be a video about animals that walk on 2 legs. Choose the voice as well, and then add this one too. You can remove any individual task, remove everything, or generate them all. So in this case, if I decide to generate them all, let's see what happens. It says it's starting 3 video generations. A video about evolution, that's the first one it's starting with. You can see the status right here. It's going to start generating that one. Then once it's done, it will move on to the second one and then the third. When a video has successfully been generated, the status changes from generating to complete or done. You can use this approach to generate as many videos as you want in a short time. And the best part is that you can easily integrate it inside your workflow. As you can see, it's gone through and generated the first one. Not only that, it's already downloaded the video to your computer. Then it starts generating the second video without any additional input from me. So just like that, you can combine Claude Code with Golpo AI to simplify your entire workflow in minutes and create some really incredible whiteboard animation style videos. As you can see, the third one is also complete and it's been saved at the same location, as well as on Golpo AI's website. It's a simple way of getting things done. You can use this process to integrate Golpo AI inside your workflow. You can schedule bulk video creation from scripts from a folder and do a retry block if somehow it fails after 3 hours. Now, obviously, you don't need to let the system generate everything for you all the time. You can actually use your own script, and that's what makes this skill useful. Create something yourself, and then it's forwarded to the system. That's how easy it is to bulk generate videos using these 2 tools combined. So, give it a shot and let me know what you think. Anyway, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you, and see you in the next one.